So it's not out right now, but this halo keeps going out every time I drive. So, I mean, I installed it April of last year, so it didn't even last a full year. So I guess this time we're not gonna cheap out and we're just gonna get actual good brand of halos. Plus, I think replace that because my headlights are pretty trash. The car is extremely dirty. I haven't washed it for maybe a month or a month and a half. So it's too cold for me to hand wash it. Plus I'm kind of like, eh. So I'm gonna rinse it down with some water, and then I'm gonna go do a touchless wash and a little drive-through. But this thing is grimy. Whew. I did, however, keep the inside clean, of course. Nice and clean. Love me some vacuum black carpets. So I'm actually about to put this on the roof when I leave, and I'm kind of do like a little POV driving around today. My little custom made authentic, like little accessory from a real Louis Vuitton bag. I also make these, so if y'all want to shop, check that description. But this is pretty sick. I was just sitting around and I thought of it, and yeah, this is basically prototype 1. I'm not sure if I want to double-side it again with another Louis band or imprint my logo here, so we'll see. But that's pretty clean. I told you, it just goes out randomly. I have no idea why. Let's get to this washing stuff. Whew, that was nice. Yeah, I definitely didn't want those things smacking around on my paint. I mean, my paints are already fucked up as is, so I didn't want to put more into it. And this video, really, there's no real like importance or anything like that. I haven't made a video in a long time just because I really don't have anything to do for this car. Been really busy trying to take care of my businesses and take care of myself, so this car kind of got put on the back burner of doing stuff. I mean, I've taken care of it and all that. I've done maintenance on it while I was gone, but I didn't do it myself. I have a mechanic person who does like the bigger stuff, so I didn't really you know, get to do that stuff myself. I would love to, I just don't have the knowledge nor the tools to do all that. But I do want to start just making random videos for you guys, something like this where I just put the phone up and let it record me driving or something. So I don't know how long this is going to be. I don't know exactly what else I'm going to do today. I really just wanted to record because I wanted to try this out. Plus it's freezing, so I was not about to fucking lose my fingers over washing my car. And maybe just give you guys some sounds of just the muffler delete on this beautiful fucking car, man. I love it. Very few people are asking me for videos again, so we'll make it happen. And if you want to see other stuff too, like what I do with this luxury business or with my shoes, go ahead and check the description as well. Everything will be down there. Oh, yup. Get clean, baby, get clean. Yeah. I'm gonna do this for my girls too. Yes. And then we gotta go real slow. And that's game. I'll do any extra wipe down needed at home next when I go home. How many of you guys drive in manual mode? Because I know when I'm here in town, I usually do like, you know, it drives itself. Oh shit, too early. I'm still learning. But yeah, through town, I'm usually doing, you know, just regular, it drives itself and shifts itself. But I want to learn how to shift through here because I really do, really want to learn how to drive manual. That's my dream. Damn, what the fuck is this Explorer so loud for? Fucked up ass road. God damn. That's a pretty clean Mustang right there. Alright guys, I think that'll be cool enough for the video. It's gonna end it off right here. Grab some burritos, head home. If anything interesting happens, which it probably won't, I'll bring out the camera, but I mean for now I guess that'll just be it. Probably listen to some music for the rest of the drive. I hope you enjoyed this little point of view video and hope you were able to hear the car. Anyone ever wondering to get a muffler delete and hasn't seen the other video, go watch the other video, but I'll tell you right here, it's definitely worth it for this 530i. It's an 07 specifically with the inline 6, so I mean it sounds amazing. I want louder, so I'm probably gonna do like a cat delete, or not a cat delete, I'm sorry, a resonator delete. Make it a little bit louder, and if it's too much rasp, throw on a little muffler to kind of deepen the voice of the car. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of this type of video. Would you want more? Would you enjoy it, something like this? And yeah, I'll try to work, you know, try to get some stuff on the car so that way I can get some content for you guys, because I know, like I said before, there's not a lot of E60 on the YouTubes. There's not a lot of builders of the E60s on here, so I want to try and, you know, help build the E60 platform for us. So yeah guys, it's been Sal and Midnight. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.